Glass crack update part 2. So as you know, last week I posted about the glass crack and the car's gone for service now. I went to them and they showed me that it was actually an impact crack and not a stress crack on the Model Y. So now basically I ended up like paying for it. Well, when I go, I have to pay for it when I pick up my car. But they showed me like what the impact was. So you couldn't feel it with your finger, like the crack on the outside or the inside, but they showed me like with a pen, or if you use your nail, you could feel that it cracked from the outside. So in that case, it's an unfortunate event that I got struck by a small rock and it's not covered under warranty, so I have to pay for it. So that's what's going on with my Model Y now. I have to pay for the glass replacement. So those of you who are curious about the glass replacement on the Model Y, it's about $1,700 from Tesla. And I contacted an external glass shop initially. That was my thought. Like, I'll try to see what happens outside. And as soon as I contacted one of them, they said, hey, you might want to immediately contact Tesla because your car is new. And they said, like, if we install the glass, it may void your warranty. So that's something to watch out for. So this is just to let you guys know that, like, the person I called, luckily, they were very nice. And they told me, like, it can void your warranty. Otherwise, they wouldn't have said anything and would have replaced my glass themselves. And they could have made the money, right? The external shop. But he didn't do that. He told me go contact Tesla. So that was good on his part. So shout out to whoever that was. I don't remember the name anymore. But yeah, so I ended up giving it to Tesla and now have to pay for the replacement. And while they have my car, they also gave me a loaner car, which I'm going to show you. So they gave me a Model S. This is about 2014, I want to say. And I did make a video on this. If you guys are curious, the link is in the description below for this older Model S. If some of you are considering between Model S and Model 3, this video might help you out because older Model S's are about the same price as a newer Model 3 standard range. So this might be something that you're curious about. Like always, if you like my videos and want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.